In this section, we are going to learn about changing the appearance of our site by creating a custom theme. We will look at defining a theme, managing asset libraries, organizing CSS, using JavaScript, and using Twig templates. In this video, we will look at defining a custom theme. We will discuss the info.yml file, Drupal 8's 2 base themes, and defining regions in a theme. Let's start out the process by creating a folder named md8d inside of the themes custom directory. Next, we will create the md8d.info.yml file. The only required pieces are the name, type, description, and what version of core to use. With this one file in place, our theme will show up as an option in the Appearances Administration section. We will install our theme and set it as the default theme. Then we will have a look at our site as an anonymous visitor. It should not be a surprise that things look rather plain. If we view our page source, we will notice that we are inheriting CSS from the stable theme. We also see that the markup is quite sparse. Why did we inherit stable as a base theme then? The answer can be found in the documentation. If a theme does not declare itself a base theme and does not specify a base theme, then stable becomes the base theme by default. Now we will sign in and take a look at the regions that are available to us in our theme. We see left sidebar, right sidebar, content, header, primary menu, secondary menu, footer, highlighted, help, and breadcrumb. The stable theme does not declare any regions. We inherited these regions from its page.html.twig. You can learn more about this template in the API documentation. We are going to return to our info YAML and specify that we want classy as our base theme by inserting the line base theme classy. Once we do this, we will need to clear cache so that Drupal rebuilds the theme registry. Let's visit the site as an anonymous visitor again. The page now has a tiny bit of styling. When we view the page source, we see that we still get some CSS from stable. We also get CSS from classy. The markup is also not as sparse as it was before. The classy theme also doesn't declare any regions. We inherit all of our regions from its page.html.twig template. We will declare our own regions by updating our info.yml file. It's important to note that once we declare any regions, we must specify all of our regions. We no longer inherit any regions from a base theme or from the page.html.twig template. These regions will appear in the block layout screen in the order we specify them. Defining our own regions and placing blocks in those regions still won't have much effect on how the site appears. In order to do that, we'll need to add CSS to our theme.